Well, well, well. Quite the chilly morning here in Central Florida. At least to me. 54 degrees is pretty chilly when I'm used to being in 90 and 95 degrees. And there's no humidity, it's very dry. Had a cold front come through about 3 or 4 days ago. Expected to get up in the 80s today. And probably in the mid 80s the next 3 or 4 days, and then a cold front next week. So it's got these fish kind of stirred up. Being in between fronts, I'm not sure how today is going to pan out, but we're going to try it again using a plum flake yum ribbon tail. Let's see if we can land a couple bass this morning. Appreciate you watching another episode of Jimmy Brown Fishing. Be sure to check out all my other videos. And with this cold weather coming, the fall crappie bite has also started. So I hope to get out real soon and do some crappie jigging, possibly some trolling, maybe even some live minnows. So enjoy this episode. Make sure you hit that like button and that share button, and also don't hesitate to leave a comment. Let's catch another one on this chilly morning. There's one. Let's get him. Switched over to that watermelon ribbon tail, and that seemed to have done the trick. Let's see if we can land him. There he is. It's a good one. I'll take him. Nice and healthy, clean. Just let him go. All right, let's catch another one. There's one. Let's get him. Oh my gosh. This has got to be a 5-pounder. See if we can keep him on. This is a nice one here, folks. Come on in here, Mr. Big Boy. Oh, yeah. Look at the size of that. Oh. Look at that. It's definitely a good one. At least 5 pounds. Say hello to my little friend. Golly. Let's get this big boy back in the water. What do you say? A little muddy in here, so I'm going to have to kind of toss it a little bit. He's a little disoriented right now, but he'll get his bearings straight here in a minute. Whew! First 5-pounder today. Man, oh man. Let's catch another one. Mercy, mercy, mercy. There's one. All right, knock it off. Let him go. Okay.